timer function and setting for an oven clock with 3 buttons. The timer is nothing different than a short-term alarm clock. Begin by pressing the middle time button once, until 0 appears on both the hour and minute displays. Now utilize the plus and minus buttons to establish your desired time. The timer starts counting down. After a few seconds, the current time will reappear on the display. The bell symbol indicates that the timer is active and running in the background. To check the elapsed time, press the middle time button once. The remaining time will be displayed. While the timer function is shown, you can adjust the remaining time. Keep in mind that resetting to 0 turns off the timer. When the set time concludes, the timer will sound an alarm. To deactivate it, simply press any of the buttons. An important note: this function operates independently of the stove and oven's other features. It neither interrupts nor initiates baking or cooking but solely serves as a timer. The advantage lies in its ability to be used whether the oven is on or off.